Let me show you what I finished. Worked on some yesterday. So today, out here in the garage, it's nice and warm. Yeah. So anyways, I drilled out the spot welds for the vertical. Cleaned that up some. Drilled out most of the spot welds for the horizontal. I did find a bit of a hole where the metal was thin right there. So that side over there is pretty good. No real issues. This side over here, I'm gonna have to tackle that after we yeah, I'll have to figure that one out. Anyways, so I'm taking a little bit of a break on those right now and working on the floor pan because I need to get this piece right here, right in there, before I can put the brace in. So I'm cutting the floor pan out with enough room here left to rosette weld the new floor pan into the old one. I'm not replacing the whole back of the floor pan. Hot Rod's website had a little article they did, and they replaced it to there, and it seemed like they ended up with a real solid base for it. So what I think I'm going to do is when I come around here, I think I'm going to cut this about flush to the top, because there is no lip or anything that rolls around on here. This indentation for there is for right here where the pillar is. So I mean, this metal is pretty good down here. Can't really feel any rust. There is a couple dents, and I don't know, you can't really see it, but underneath here where this seat bracket, or I guess the mount is there's a second layer under there, so keeping this part in will kind of keep the stiffness in the cab, because the way that direct sheet metal has the floor, you put that piece, and then I've got a couple more back there, and kind of, I don't know if you want to call it butt weld them together. There's two seams that are flanged, and you weld the two flanged seams together. I don't know how strong that'll be, but we'll try this. But yeah, so I gotta finish cutting out the floor here. I'm trying something different. As you can see here, I used the plasma to cut that out. I have a body saw, but unfortunately it went missing. I think I loaned it to someone and it never found its way back, or I'm not exactly sure. It might be around here, I don't know. Anyways, so I'm trying a jigsaw, and it's cutting fairly well. I've got it cut all the way up to where the frame rail goes underneath the cab now, and I've got to cut back this way, so I'm going to drill a hole to start, and then I'll go back this way, and then I'll figure out, I might just take a sawzall with a longer blade to cut across the top where that goes over the frame. Yeah, so what else? That's about it for today. So, like I said, I got a little bit more work to do on those cab mounts over there, and then got this to do. And once I cut this side out, cut the other side out, and fix that cab mount, over there, the firewall and mounts and floor pan will all be ready to go in. So, yeah, I think, yeah. So I think I'm gonna try and get that done before I get the lift in here, and so see if we can tackle that over the next week or two. All right, bye.